Today I am Robert Galon, a meat cutter demoler from Manila City, Philippines. Today we will show you how to disassemble and assemble the meat grinder machine and identify its part. This is the grinder machine. You have the easy power cord, the grinder switch, the grinder motor, and the grinder tray. This is the grinder tray. You have the grinder blade, the grinder knife, and the grinder over. And the grinder head.